Hello guys, I am Alexander and welcome back to the channel. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Today we'll be talking about affordable and cheap dash cam. This is the one that we'll be talking about today, the black box. The black box is cheap, affordable and effective. It is two-way vision, outside and inside. This is the camera. This is the next camera. As I said, it turned 360 degree. And this is the mounting clip for the adhesive to click to the windscreen. Simple, push and it lock. To release, push down this clip and pull off. Let's show you that. To release, pull down this clip, push off, and it's simply release. Let's put it back together. Clip and it hold. So let's go over some of the function. Here, let's plug this out. As you can see, your standard SD card. Here is a microphone. Here is your power card, and this, as you know, where the camera should go. And this camera, you can see it have 4 lights, supposed to illuminate at night to see better in the dark. And this one's supposed to be the sensor. Let's go over here. Here we have a speaker, and here we have a reset button. Manual or function, up, down, power, on and off. And here we have a LCD screen. Just plug this back in. Turn the camera this way. To turn the camera on, simple, hold down on the power button, and the LCD screen would light up just like that. There goes the front facing camera here. There it is, right. This comes with a built-in battery, but I do not know why whenever time you try to turn it on, which the power button is right here. So out of the 4 buttons, this power button do a lot of things. When you try to turn it on, you see it, the power goes off. So it have to constantly plug it in. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using this power bank to power up the device. It's used a whole type charger. I think this is charge type B or something like that. So once you power it up, it comes on. Now let's see if we can get this. I'm going to try to get the screen as close as possible. To be forewarned, the writing on this thing, you will need a magnifying glass just to magnify things. I'm going to remove the bright light from off this thing here so we can see better what's going on. So I'm not showing the camera right now, I'm showing the function and device. So what you have seen right there is the back camera. Let's spin it around to us. So that's the back camera. All right, let's see, just show you some function. So that's the third button, and we show you split view. So you split the camera front and back, split again. Let's take it off the thing. So this one is showing the platform here, and this one is showing back in my hand right here, over here. So we press it again, and you go into full mode. That's the front camera, that's the back camera. Press it and you go back in split image, camera into camera. Now we want to stop recording. Once you press the first button once, it stops recording. And if you can see over that side, it's showing you over here. It's showing you what mode it's in. That's picture mode. I mean, this thing you need a magnifying glass just to see it. Let's press that button one more time, and it will go back into camera mode. Now that is showing that it's just take a picture. Press it again and it go back to camera mode. It's not recording, so you have to press it again for it to start record. So you see that, you hear that? It's taking its own picture. That is some of the function that these buttons do. See it? This is the power button that I'm pressing right here, or you can see my finger. Right here, I'm pressing the power button over this side here. And that's why it's going into power mode. So as you can see, I'm toggling with all these buttons right here to go into different function. This second one right here, this third one right here from my left, this one is the one that split the screen like that. See it? So I'm going to press this one now. So I just press this one here, which is the menu one, and it's going to menu. Now I'm going to toggle with these two right here to go up and down, and it show you different function. As you can see, the first one right there, and if you wanted to select it, you would press this side and it would select it just like that, and you use the next one like this to go down, select whatever you want. And if you wanted to select that amount, you'd have pressed this one right here to select. But I want to come back out. So you press the menu button there, and it will go into a lot of menu right there. So now that is half, press it and hold. See? So those are all the menu that's inside it. You can just toggle with the switch and it and go up to what you want to set it. As you can see, it have a lot of menu structure. Date system, quick release, auto anti-shocks. What's that? You see, just continue to press. And right now I'm pressing this button right here. That is the one that's bringing me up. And it starts right back over. Press and hold the menu button and it comes out. Let's press and hold it again. And it brings you right back. And we'll use the same button just to go. So basically that's all the function that is on the camera itself. So let's go to the installment. This is the area that we're going to install our new dash cam. We're going to remove this one, and then we're going to remove, this is a clock right here. We're going to run, the wire is already there, so we're going to run the wire back up into this clock right here. I'm going to take out the plate of the clock, and we're going to see how best we can run right here. So let's go ahead and removing the tip from behind. This is where we're going to run the power. Alright, so once we remove the screws, carefully take down the clock. As you can see behind the clock, the person who already set up this thing right here already have a USB cable inside. They run a USB cable inside here, so it is a whole USB cable. Have bridge red and the black wire. The bridge remote wire and the grounds. So after removing the clock, I realized that I have to move the mirror because the wire needs to be changed. I can't use this wire. Our next step, find the correct power. Right? We're going to remove this card. See, it can easily remove. We are going to also remove this. Once we remove that, we're going to clean the surface here. I think that's straight enough. I hope that's straight enough. And we just simply Now I want it to hold properly, so I'm going to remove the camera. So I remove the camera and I'm going to push down on this clip. Don't push too hard, you do not want to push out the mirror. Right, once it hold, we just pop it right back on like this. See? And it clipped. So I've made some conversion and I've made some changes. I removed the one that I see there just to make my own, a few different connection. I made a connection because I wanted, even when the vehicle is off, the camera still stays on. Inside here there's a remote wire, so even when the vehicle is off, the clock is still on. So I connect it just the same way, so you can see the light is here. So even when the vehicle is off, as you can hear now, the vehicle is off, the camera will still be on. We're going to leave a little bit of wire like that there, not too much, and we're going to think that is alright. We're going to lock that clip, and lock that clip. Right? Now we have a lot of excess wire. We're going to fold this wire up properly. Replace the clock, but all these have to sit in this little gap right here. So it's important to make sure all these wire fit perfectly, and at the same time it doesn't have any shortage up here. Right, there we go. And also there is no wire in the way of the screws. Nicely done. So now the wire is run. I've relieved a little bit of wires just for purpose of I need to remove it. So you can see, nicely run, done. Alright, so we're going to drive around the block and see what we can capture. So what I will try to do, make you hear the video, make you hear the outside noise, to show you the video of outside. So this video is outside driving on the road in the day. This video is on the road driving at night. This video without passenger. This video is inside of the bus with passenger. This video at night time with passenger inside the bus. As you can see, the night vision doesn't work at night. You have to turn on the bus light just to see at night inside the vehicle. But basically this is inside the vehicle at night.